Hi guys, let's do some unboxing, okay? Today no food video, so just manage this one like that. So I ordered some cooking pots from China and I said, I have amazing family on YouTube, so why not share with them? Although I've already used the items because the video was still there unedited, so I just got time to edit it. So this is the first pot, and for this pot I just love it. Yes. So we are going to the next pot and I am opening the box, and the packaging, everything was so on point, because I'm sure they didn't want to have any issues with me. Because if these items came with scratches, like them go hear them, them go hear them. So this is it, and the pots are so nice. Seriously, I love everything about the pots. And guys, just get yourself some, okay? So I will continue removing it from the box, and this is it, and it has a manual in it, so you can read the manual and know how to manage the pots. You see, yep. And the color too is so beautiful. Yeah, this is the manual, and it feels so good to cook with non-toxic cooking pots, and I'm just in love with this. The color is giving ankasa. Just see. You will see from my facial expression, I was very happy with this pot. So on to the next one, I will open it and then unbox it. Guys, just do yourself some favor and get yourself non-toxic cooking pots, okay, for your own well-being. So here I removed it from the box, and then I will continue unboxing. Me say packaging it and you're small, but remove. And here come my favorite color of all. I was so in love with this pot. The only thing I didn't like was the inside. I preferred the inside to be white, but they give me black because they said the black one can take more heat than the white one. So this is it. Very nice and beautiful, and the design was very nice too. So to the last box, let's open it majestically. I already created some amazing recipes using these pots, so you can check the videos right on my channel, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and make sure to follow me on other social media platforms. Links in the description box. And this is what we have here, a mini pot, and the color is giving mashallah. Wow, see the packaging there. It's not here. It was very on point. And guys, this is the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Bye.